All right, so this is an important numerical for JEE Mains and NEET, and two situations are given. There is a block and a sphere which are moving down the ramp. The ramps are identical. The mass of the block and the mass of sphere are equal, and the question is, uh, which of the two will reach faster. It is also known that the block is frictionless, and in the case of sphere, it is not mentioned whether it is frictionless or not. So we will assume this to be a situation where friction exists. So when the sphere is going down, you know that if there is no friction, if there is a friction, sorry, in the case of sphere, there will be a case of pure rolling. So uh, the equation for energy conservation will be half mv square plus half I omega square is equal to mgh. This is the case when the body is rolling down, and in the case of block, since it's a frictionless block, you don't have omega existing for the cube, and also there is no loss of energy because of friction. So the whole kinetic energy gets converted into the potential, comes from potential energy. But in the case of the ball, the potential energy gets converted into two parts: the kinetic energy and the potential energy. And we know V is equal to omega r. If we apply this, we can find the final velocity, and we will find the block reaches much faster. Thank you.